Hi, welcome back on my channel. What I've got for you today is quite simple. A little while ago I had the idea to make myself a witch broom as a year-long decoration, but you can use it only for Halloween, obviously. So I've decided to take you along with me on my journey. This is not so much of a tutorial or a DIY, more than just to show how I've done it and how you can do it or do it differently completely. It's just a thing that I've done. So if you were looking for a fun and easy activity to do and for a free, cute and sustainable Halloween decoration, then this video might be for you. All you gotta do is go in your yard or in the woods, find quite a big piece of wood that you like, and then you can cut to the length that you want. Pick up a few small branches. I was going more for the crooked look, so you can go with the crooked look as well. It's much easier. You're gonna need some thread. Try to take one that's a little bit thicker. Mine was a little too small because I couldn't find any other one at home. And then you're gonna need some scissors and some special branch scissor as well. Obviously this was my first time trying this, so it's not perfect. It did not turn out exactly like I wanted, but nonetheless it was fun. I hope you enjoyed. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave this video a like. If you try this at home, you can try and tag me at Wyllow North on Instagram. Take a picture of it. I'd like to see what you've done. You've probably done better than I did, but I was just putting an idea out there for people that are bored at home just like me. You can subscribe to my channel if you like this video. I'm gonna be posting a lot of Halloween videos on Halloween weekend that's coming up. It's a thing that I do almost every year. It's the time that I post the most in the whole year, during the days leading up to Halloween and on Halloween day. In the meantime, you can follow me on all of my social medias. Thanks for watching, and I will see you very, very soon.